Kopogore gi manyakore mgajwang' riwruoge makedo ne ratich oganda Mombasa seo piny owacho ewi nyawo mar kedo gi rochruok mar arita kendo nyiso luoro ni ochumi ma pacho ka kidek medo rochore ka dipo ni piny owacho biro rem wuok oko motegno mar kedo gi timbe njore kod nek ma oyai. Kane giloso gi jofwambo weche kaunti ma Mombasa, gikoni nek mano mar okil Chalo Mbobu kaachiel kod mano mane en jaod bura mano makasipul Ong'ondo Were. En ranyisi ni wang' dede kata CCTV miketo e apeyni ok kony e gayo masiche makamagi. Mage yor yango jogo ma itudo gi nek makamago.
Must refuse the invitation to work with goons. Because once they start working with goons, once they start embracing people of bad character, then those people get emboldened and they feel they can kill anybody and they feel they can terrorize people.
We want to see the security situation improving immediately, and it is not a request, it is a demand. Na ikiwa wale wamepewa majukumu ya kusimamia usalama wameshindwa na hiyo kazi, kindly Murkomen, IG Kanja, step aside and allow other people to come in who will do the job as Kenyans want.
Tunataka protection kama wa Kenya, tunataka security, tunataka safety yetu na tunataka nchi yetu hiyo na usalama. Investors wenyewe watakimbia. Sasa hii nchi itakuwa ngumu, masuala ya uchumi na vile tuna struggle, maisha yanakuwa magumu zaidi na serikali iko ambayo fight protect.
Investments zote hizo tunazozifanya ndani ya Kenya, nani atakayezitumia? Majumba yote yanayojengwa, sekta zote hizo, utalii, mtalii gani atasikia usalama umezorota ndani ya Kenya alafu aipendelee Kenya aje kuzuru Kenya?
By now Kenya should be working. The infrastructure should be helping us to identify who these criminals are. By allowing these CCTV footages not to work is to allow criminality to continue.